Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will look at the 5 phases of project management. Project management typically involves 5 key phases to ensure a project is planned, executed, and completed successfully. These phases are initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, closing. Initiation is the first phase where the project is defined at a broad level. The primary goal is to outline the project's purpose, objectives, scope, and feasibility. Key activities in this phase include creating a project charter, identifying stakeholders, and conducting a feasibility study. Once the project is initiated, we have to plan it in detail. In this phase, project managers and their team develop a comprehensive project plan that includes defining project tasks, creating schedules, estimating resource requirements, setting budget, and assessing risk. The project plan serves as a roadmap for the project's execution and helps in monitoring and controlling the project. This phase involves putting the project plan into action. Project teams carry out the task outlined in the project plan, allocate resources, and work towards achieving the project's objectives. Effective communication and coordination are essential during this phase to ensure that the project stays on track and meets its goals. Throughout the project, it is important to continuously monitor progress and control any deviations from the project plan. Project managers and teams track key performance indicators, which is KPIs, assess risks, and take corrective actions as necessary to keep the project on schedule and within budget. This phase helps ensure that the project remains aligned with its objectives. The final phase involves formally closing the project. This includes completing all remaining tasks, obtaining client or stakeholder acceptance, conducting a post-project review or evaluation, and preparing a final project report. Closure also includes releasing project resources, archiving project documents, and celebrating the project success. It is important to note that project management is often an iterative process, and these phases may overlap or be revisited as needed to adapt to changes or unexpected developments during the project's life cycle. Effective project management requires flexibility and the ability to adjust the plan as circumstances evolve. Hope this video helped you to understand the 5 phases of project management. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. We post new videos every week, so subscribe and get notified when we post new content. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, let us know in the comments. Sign up for our weekly newsletter and we will send our videos to your email every Friday. See you soon with another topic.